Hey guys, I hope you all fine. This is part 2 video. So in this video, I'm gonna explain how to use goatsheet. So this is my website www.goatsheet.in. So once you landed on this page, you could see all the options of feature, how to use demo, tutorial, and pricing model and support. So today what we're going to do is we're going to merge all the files. Let me open the file first. So these are all the files we have. So there are more than 10 files. So let me open on file. Only I have two data, 2 rows and 3 columns. So now we're going to merge all the sales report. For that I need to create an account. So if you click the pricing model option, you can see all the pricing model. It's very cheap. Let me move to INR. So you can see here, this is a free one and standard, pro and a business. So on free, you can do 50 automation per month. So let me create an account. You need to click the open up. If you have a Google account or Microsoft account or email address, you can easily log in. So let me use the Google one. The account has been successfully created. Now I move to the home page. It looks like a chat GPT. So here, the left side, you can see all the files. Let me delete all the files. So now I'm going to upload all the files from my system. So these all are the files I need to merge. So now I need to write a prompt, merge all the files. It's very simple. No need to write any formulas. And I need to call the files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Now you can see this option, the summary one, that is automatically enabled. So I'll explain you what does this mean. Let me enable this summary and I'm going to click this button. Now the automation is happening. That's it. So you can validate the data as well by using this preview output data. You can validate. So here you can see. So let me click this expand button. So everything is okay. Now I'm going to click this download button. So now we are successfully merged 10 files. You see here, it's very simple. And also here you can see the summary, what is happening. So I used these files. So this is the output, what actually happened here. So yeah, it's very simple. So not only merge operation, you can do many operations like, let me go to the website. So you can do merge, you can clean the files, you can compare the files, you can split the files. And if you don't know how to use this application, what you do, you come to this website, and if you click this demo, you can see this screen. So let me click this get started. You see here, I'm gonna click this. First upload the files. Once you upload the file, you can see the file in this place and provide the prompt. Call the files and click automation. So once you click the automation, what will happen? The output will be come as a Excel file. You see here, I'm gonna click this preview button. So once the validation is done, I'm going to download the file. It's very simple. Please try it and share your review and suggestion. If you need a discount, reach out me through Instagram or LinkedIn or email address, and you get all the information from my bio, my YouTube bio. And I will see you another video. Next video, I will explain how to clean the file, how to compare the file, everything. And tada, bye bye.